Hello.
So, welcome to the Snyder Cut.
Yep.
Welcome to the Aquaman Snyder Cut, everybody.
Hey ladies and gents, welcome to Kai's D.I.Ys, and today I thought I would show you on how I did my green screen effect. Originally, I was going to make another tutorial for you about Black Manta's helmet, but I am having major difficulties with it as of right now. I also posted about it on my Facebook page. So to fill my quota, I wanted to put a different tutorial out. How to cheaply and easily film and edit with a green screen. Before I go into this tutorial, if you'd like to see updates before my videos are uploaded, please consider following my Facebook page. All you gotta do is go in the description at the bottom of the video, click the link, hit like, and follow. This is the only place I talk about my builds, updates, templates, and more. I also have a Patreon page which you can donate as little as $1 a month to support my channel, help me keep making videos, and even get a chance to win a prop made on the show. Firstly, to film a green screen, you gotta have a green screen. You've got many options to do this. Buy a legit green screen from Amazon, go to your local fabric shop and buy a sheet, or, not enough money, go to the dollar store and buy some sheets of green poster board, or white ones and paint them green. I recommend buying an actual green screen. I also bought 4 10-foot long, thin 3/4 inch PVC pipes, 4 3/4 inch T-joints, and 2 3/4 inch elbow joints. Also, you'll need some spring clamps. I bought 10. My green screen is a little over 6 by 9 feet, and I chopped the PVC to size and connected a frame that's 6 by 7.5 feet, with 2 tiny pieces that connect the 2 T-joints that'll make the frame stand up. Clamp on the green screen and you're set. Now you'll need lights. You'll need some backlight, light in the front of your subject, and light above you. At least, that's how I set it up. If your screen isn't consistent, it'll make keying out the green much harder. The camera I use is a Canon EOS 70D, but you can use any camera obviously. When you do have your lights, camera, and screen set up, you can dress however you need to, and you have some fun.
This scroll from Ancient. I said the wrong, completely wrong. Bro, we could.
After I got the shots I needed, I transferred them to my computer and dragged the clips I needed into my editing program.
Now I actually use Camtasia as my editing program, but I don't recommend it. I'm just so used to using this one that I don't want to use another one.
There are certain tricks I did when using one green screen. If you want your characters to be shown at different angles, you can use zooms and place yourself in different positions. I got this shot by having my buddy crouch in front of me while I stand with my back to the green screen. This way I could get a special over-the-shoulder shot for the both of us. Even this shot required some trick editing. With the shots I needed, I keyed out the green and adjusted the tolerance and softness as best I could. Now for backgrounds, if you got pre-recorded footage or images, you can use those. I went on Google and found the images I needed. Extra effects I included were adding color to us, cropping the extra background that isn't green, adding different water effects to certain points, and even adding color to water effects too, if I needed to, and sometimes some sound effects. And you even need to edit out the audio a bit, that's a lot. But when it all comes together, you'll have your own video. Wait a minute, you've already seen this. Or unless if you haven't, then go over to the video that I made about the Aquaman Trident.
Sorry this video was a little bit short, guys, but I still had to get something out there for you. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to help this channel grow and become big and massive and very creative, all you gotta do is share all my content, and even if you're new here, subscribe. And even if you're already subscribed, tell a friend to subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook and even my Twitter, and even follow me on my main YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys next month with a brand new video. Hopefully I'll have the Black Manta helmet done by then.